Hello everyone, it's Agnes. Welcome to your day 8 of How to Attract a Specific Person Beginner's course. So today, as always, we will run through your list of things to do, and at the end we will do our meditation together. So your first thing will be the meditation with me. At the end, number 2, you're going to do your 60 affirmations. Again, becoming emotionally more and more attractive through disciplining your mind with positive, repetitive, habitual thoughts. Okay? Number 3, your imaginal scene before you go to bed. Again, repeat it about half a dozen times as we talked about yesterday. Breathing life into it. It's the fuel for the manifestation, the feeling. Okay? Now, your next task, your 30 minutes of exercise, task number 4, and your scripting, task number 5. Now, as a suggestion today, how about a special event? If you can't come up with anything, would you like to go to a music concert together, an art gallery, go scuba diving, go to the zoo, go dancing to particular music that you love? Have a think about today, perhaps a particular event to do your scripting about. Number 6, your vision board. Again, keep adding to it. Maybe what you do in your scripting can be added as some pictures or some words in your vision board. Okay? Now, there is a very good Abraham Hicks YouTube called Things Are Always Working Out For Me. If you want, start to collect some good ones, put it in your favorites. It can be one that when you're not feeling great, it's lovely and general, and you just can relax into it, surrender, let go, and allow. Okay? A lot of this stuff with a specific person is letting go of your urgency, and I need to get over there, and I need to get to be with them. Letting go, being at peace, surrendering, and becoming a vibrational, loving magnet. Okay? So have a listen to that. And now we will do our lovely little meditation together. So close your eyes, get in your favorite spot. And by now you know the routine. We're going to start with the breaths. 6, in for 4 and out for 4. Let everything go first, everything you need to do, work, people bothering you, anything that needs to be paid, anything, food shopping, just let it all go for now. This is your time to focus, okay? So breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4 and breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4 and breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4 and breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Last one with a hold, breathing in for 4 and hold for 4 and breathing out for 4. Now, I'd like you to imagine today a beautiful hammock. It's that nice Mexican style one, beautiful bright colors, hanging between 2 trees. And I'd like you to imagine being in that hammock with your specific person. Now, just getting in and out is going to be a bit of fun, a few laughs. It's easy to get in with one person, but getting in with 2 is a bit of an achievement. So imagine the fun, imagine the moving around, imagine the trying to get in, falling on top of each other, and you're pushed together by the sides of the hammock. So I want you to imagine a beautiful kiss, squeezed in tight together, laughing, arms and legs everywhere, and imagine that beautiful kiss. Just feeling that intimate, lovely feeling that you get when you kiss somebody that you love. So I'm going to give you a little minute in the silence, a couple of minutes to just enjoy that moment, and you can do that now. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. Now I'd like you to imagine them whispering in your ear, I love you. I love you. I really, really love you. And just feel how good it feels to hear that. Just let it soak into your bones, into the marrow, feeling the relief that all that unloved stuff is behind you now, and you feel really connected and close and loving and happy and full of fun and stuck in the hammock together, not being able to get out. So this moment is yours to feel loved, to feel secure, to feel wanted, deserving, worthy, first best, special, cherished, important, a priority, and that you really, really matter. So now taking that feeling with you back into the real world, or in the 3D world, I'm going to slowly count you out of the meditation. And just know you can come back to this space anytime you like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And bring yourself in your awareness, in your mind, back to where you're sitting or laying down. And hear the sounds around you. Feel the furniture beneath you. And just slowly move when you're ready. And when you feel to, you can crack open your little eyes. So, that's it for today. Lots of love. Enjoy the Abraham Hicks and enjoy doing your task today. Remember, everyone can start something, but it's keeping going. That's where you see what you're made of. The turtle wins the race. See you tomorrow in day number 9.